Hello wealth positioners. In this guide, we'll cover how to enter bank transfers and credit card payments. Essentially, the process is the same as entering any other manual transaction. Let's first have a look at the accounts we've set up. We have our main bank account, which has some cash, a savings account, which currently has a nil balance, and a credit card with an outstanding balance. Let's now enter our first transaction to transfer some of our cash into the savings account. Go to the transactions page, then click the new transaction button, enter the date that the transfer took place, select the account we are using to make the transfer from, then select the account we are transferring the funds to, and finally enter the funds being transferred as a positive value. Before saving the transaction, let's look at the summary below. This will show you the new balances once the transaction has been created. You can see that our bank account balance is being reduced and our savings account balance is being increased. Wealth position works out the two movements from the single amount we entered above. Click the Save button to create the transaction. Let's now enter the credit card payment. This is done in a similar way to the bank transfer. Click the new transaction button, enter the date that the payment took place, select the account we are using to make the transfer from, then select the credit card account we are paying, and finally enter the amount being paid as a positive value. Let's look at the summary again before saving. You can see that our bank account balance and credit card liabilities are both being reduced. Click the Save button to create the transaction. If you look at the two transactions we created, each one will have two amounts on it. The positive and negative values tell you which account the money has come out from and gone into. If you now go to the Accounts and Categories page, you will see the updated balances. That's all for this guide. Get in touch with us if you need any support on your journey to financial freedom.